Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to crochet these super cute love heart keychains. To start off with, you're going to want to use the colour that you're going to use for the middle of your heart. So for this video I'm going to be using red. First, make a magic ring. Loop the yarn around your finger once, like this, and insert your hook into the middle of the loop. Grab onto the end of the yarn with the hook and pull it out. Yarn over and tighten it. Insert your hook, yarn over again, and you've made the first stitch of the magic ring. From here, make one chain, so yarn over and make another chain, and that is going to be our first stitch for the heart. The second stitch is a triple crochet, so you want to yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull the yarn out, so now you have 4 different loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2, then the next 2, and then the last 2. And that is 1 triple crochet. And then the next stitch is another triple crochet, so do that again. First 2, second 2, and the last 2. The first 3 stitches are all triple crochet, and the next 3 are going to be double crochet. So yarn over once, yarn, pull through the first 2, then the next 2, and just repeat that twice. Here you should have made 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a chain, and then for the pointy part of the heart, make a triple crochet. After the triple crochet, make another chain, and then double crochet. So we're going to repeat what we did for this half the heart, but repeat it backwards. So we're going to do 3 double crochet, then 3 triple crochet. So make 2 more double crochet, and then make 2 more triple crochet. Now to finish it off, make 3 chain, and insert your hook into the loop, yarn out, and slip stitch. So those 3 chain count as a triple crochet, like just how we started. Here you can cut the yarn. And tighten like this. To tighten the heart, pull on the piece of yarn that you left at the start of your magic ring so it tightens, and then you've made a heart. So to make both sides of this, you're going to repeat this heart twice using the same pattern. Like this. So now you've got two identical hearts. Now at this step, this is completely optional, but if you wanted to make the cross in the middle, cut a strand of yarn that is the other color that you're going to be using for the frills, and just sew the cross on. Now you want to put the hearts back to back so that the nice parts are on the outside, and insert your hook through the first stitch on both hearts. So for this one, it's the top of the 3 chains, so it's right here, and then do the same for the other one, so it's right here. And like that, grab your other color of yarn, pull it through, and yarn over, and then from here you're going to do 3 chain and then slip stitch into the next loop. This creates a sort of frill that you're going to be repeating all the way around. When you get to about halfway, you can tuck the loose ends in and sort of pack them up so that you don't have to cut them. At the end of the round, insert it into the last stitch, and you can cut the yarn here and tighten it. To make sure there's no gap in between, you can insert your hook into the first stitch like that, so there's no gap. And then for these two loose pieces, just tuck them into the middle of the heart. And then you're done. You can add a keychain to it like that, or you can crochet yourself a little chain just by making chain all the way around. Thanks for watching.